Gas leaks are dangerous. But the truth is, most gas leaks start very small. So small that you don't even notice them. Today, I'll show you the safest and easiest ways to detect a gas leak from your stove without any tools. And also with tools, if you have them. Stay with me till the end, because I'll show one trick that 90% of people don't know. Before we test anything, let's talk about early signs that your stove might be leaking gas. Cut to visuals. Burner close-up, knob turning, flame color, sound of gas, smell of gas. Natural gas is a chemical that smells like rotten eggs. Hissing sound. If the pipe or valve is leaking, you'll hear a very soft hiss. Weak flame. A leaking stove often shows a small, weak, yellowish flame. Knob feels loose. If it doesn't lock properly, gas may leak even when off. These signs alone mean stop, don't light anything, and check immediately. Now, let's do the safest and most reliable test you can do at home, the soap water test. Shot, mixing bowl. Mix. 1 spoon dish soap plus a little water. Apply this foam on all burner joints, gas pipe connections, regulator area, valve, under the stove. If bubbles start forming or growing, that's a leak. This test is 99% accurate and totally safe. Sometimes the leak is not in the pipes. It's actually in the burner or the knob valve. Host removes the burner cap. Make sure the burner is placed properly. A misaligned burner can release raw gas. Turn the knob slowly. If you smell gas before the clicking sound, the valve might be worn out. You can also apply soap foam around the valve. If bubbles appear, that's your leak. Most leaks come from here, the rubber pipe or cylinder regulator. Check the rubber pipe for cracks. See the manufacturing date. Replace after 3 years. Apply soap water around the regulator. Bubbles mean immediate replacement. If the leak is at the regulator, don't try to fix it yourself. Get a technician. If you want to be extra safe, a small digital gas detector can help. Detector near stove and pipe. These devices cost very little but can detect gas instantly. Just bring it close to the pipe and burner. If gas is present, it will beep or flash. If you confirm a gas leak, do this immediately. Turn off the stove and main valve. Open all windows and doors. Do not turn on lights or fans. Take the cylinder outside if possible. Call a technician or emergency number. Never try to light a match or check the leak with fire. That's extremely dangerous. Gas leaks are silent. But now you know exactly how to detect them safely. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more useful home safety tips.